let's learn how we can create AI image with Canva. So first step is to open your browser and go to canva.com website. Now, when you open it, this will be your home page. So you want to check this sidebar on left side of your screen and find this Dream Lab here. So you want to click on it and it will open up new page, and this will be a site or page where you can create your own AI images. But be careful, as you can see here, for the free version, you will have about 20, I think, these credits. To create AI image, it will use 1 credit. So I already tried to show some example. Here will be the print and describe the image in few words box. So this will be your prompt box. You can add image for guidance, set up style if you want. For example, we can do cinematic concept, and here will be aspect ratio you want to set. So I'll try some adventure, but we can, for example, what can I say? Give me a picture of Tomb Raider series. No. Okay. Tomb Raider raiding a tomb. So it's be a cinematic concept. It should set up a movie style. Yeah, so we have this one, for example, looks pretty good. You can now send it to design. You can also download it, copy it, or delete it if you don't like it. So basically that's it. That's everything you need to know. See you in the next video.